Hi, I am Yasar Arafath. I am here with another maths video for class 10 CBSE students. I welcome all of you to this video. Trigonometry. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video also, we'll continue the topic trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. In the last lesson, we discussed 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree angles. And in this video, we will discuss 0 degree and 90 degree angles. If you are watching first time my videos, please subscribe my channel. And if you feel my videos are very useful, please share my videos to your friends. Also like and comment. So come to the video. So look here, we want to complete this table 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay. So I think first we can discuss this 0 degree. 0 degree we can complete the table, then 90 degree. Okay. So look here, this is actually some imagination. Actually in a right triangle there will be no 0 degree angle. But this is using some idea of convergence. So what will happen if suppose the angle is equal to 0? That's what in this picture shows. Okay, the first picture on the top here, this picture. So first triangle you look here, ABC, right triangle ABC, and then for coming to next one, what we do is the opposite side of angle A, we are decreasing its side length. The opposite side we are decreasing step by step. Okay, for in the second triangle, the length of BC is less than the length of BC in the first triangle, and the third triangle again it is decreasing, again decreasing. Same time this angle A is also decreasing, right? The angle A is decreasing, and finally in the last picture we imagine that the angle A becomes 0. Okay, angle A becomes 0. At that time, what will happen for the side opposite to angle A? That is the length of BC. BC will become 0, right? Because when we move from left to right through these pictures, the point C, the vertex C is coming closer and closer to vertex B. And when the angle A becomes 0 in the last picture, the vertex C will coincide with the vertex B. At that time there will be no height. The length of BC will become 0. In other terms we can say when angle A were decreasing, the same time the length of BC was also decreasing, and finally when A becomes 0, the length of BC also becomes 0. This is just some imagination. Okay, so in this right triangle we know if we fix angle A, the side opposite to angle A is BC and the hypotenuse is AC. So in the last picture, the opposite side of angle A becomes 0 and the hypotenuse becomes the adjacent side, right? Because hypotenuse coincide with the adjacent side AB, right? Side AB and side AC becomes equal or same when angle A becomes 0 in the last picture. So in that case, in the last picture, what will be sine A? That is sine 0. So we all know that here sine A is equal to the opposite side BC divided by the hypotenuse AC. And in the last one, the angle A becomes 0. Therefore, sine A will be sine 0. That is equal to BC is also 0. 0 divided by AC. We can simply write AC, hypotenuse. So 0 divided by AC will become 0, right? 0 divided by a positive quantity will be 0, right? So we got sine 0 is equal to 0. So we fill in the table sine 0 is equal to 0 degree. Then what about cos A at that time? We have cos A is equal to the adjacent side of angle A, that is AB, divided by the hypotenuse AC. So in the last triangle here, adjacent side AB and the hypotenuse AC are coinciding, they are equal length. Also angle A will become 0. Therefore cos 0 is equal to AB by AC, both are same.
Okay, so AB by AC will become 1, right? So we got cos 0 is equal to 1 from this picture. So we will write in the table cos 0 is equal to 1. Then what about tan A from the picture? Tan A, we all know that tan A is equal to the opposite side by adjacent side, that is BC divided by AB. So in the last triangle, here angle A is equal to 0, so tan A is equal to tan 0, that is equal to BC is 0, so 0 divided by AB, so that is also 0. So we fill in the table tan 0 is equal to 0. Then cosec A, we can just take the reciprocal of sin A, that is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined, right? So we can write here not defined. Okay. Then what about sec? Sec we all know that is the reciprocal of cos A. So what is cos A here? Cos A is 1. So what is the reciprocal? That is 1 itself, right? So sec is equal to 1. Then what will be cot A? Cot A is the reciprocal of tan A. Tan A is equal to 0. So the reciprocal of 0 means 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. So cot 0 is not defined. Okay. So I repeat again. Using this sequence of triangles, we have made some imagination about the trigonometric ratios of angle 0 degree. So here in the last triangle, here the angle A becomes 0. That time the side opposite to angle A also becomes 0, and the hypotenuse AC coincide with the side adjacent to angle A, that is AB. So sine A will be sine 0, that is equal to BC by AC. BC is equal to 0, therefore 0 by AC is equal to 0. We filled in the table sine 0 is equal to 0. And cos A, we know that AB by AC, and in this picture AB and AC are coincided, so their lengths are equal when A is equal to 0, angle A is equal to 0. Therefore cos 0 will be 1. Similarly, tan A will be BC by AB. Here BC becomes 0, therefore tan 0 is equal to 0 by AB is equal to 0, we filled in the table. Then the other three, we just take the reciprocal, we can write that. Okay. Now we move to the trigonometric ratios of 90 degree angle. So look in the second picture. This A, the point A, we are moving towards B, towards the point A. Point A or the vertex A, we are moving towards B. So what will happen when we move towards B? The angle A will increase, the side adjacent to angle A will decrease, and angle C will decrease. Angle C will decrease. That we don't have to mind. Okay. When we move A to B, the angle A will increase up to which value? Up to 90 degree. Okay. It is increasing, and finally it will become 90 degree when the A coincide with B. And same time, the side adjacent to angle A is decreasing, and finally it will become 0 when A coincide at B. Okay, so in the last triangle, we have AB is equal to 0. The last triangle, the side adjacent to angle A, AB will become 0, right? AB will become 0. Okay, and one more thing, the hypotenuse will coincide with the BC. AC will become BC. Both will coincide. So now you say what will be cos A? Cos
0.
A. Yes, cos A will be 0. At that time, angle A will be coincided with the 90 degree angle. A will be 90. So cos 90 will be 0. Cos 90 will be 0. Okay. So we can write in the table cos 90 is equal to 0. And what will be sin 90 in this picture? Sin 90. Sin A, that is sin 90. Sin
1.
1, right? Opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC, and AC and BC are same. You look in the previous picture because
BC.
previous picture you look at the side opposite to angle A is BC, right? So BC by AC. So in the picture BC and AC are coinciding, they are equal. So BC by AC will become 1. Now tan A, what will be tan 90? Tan 90. Tan 90, tan A. Opposite side is BC. BC by 0 will come, right? BC by 0 will come. Adjacent side is 0, right?
Undefined.
Yes. So tan 90 will be not defined. tan 90 will be not defined. Okay. So now cosec A, what is cosec A? Cosec A?
1.
1, right? Cosec.
How, sir? 0 by 1, right?
No, look here, sin A is
1
1.
by 1.
Sin A is
1
1.
by 1.
Yes, 1 by 1.
1 by 1.
1 by 1 will come. 1. Okay. What is sec A?
Not defined.
Not defined. Because cos A is 0. So this will be not defined. Okay. Then what will be cot A? Cot A.
0. 0.
Cot A will be 0. Okay, so we have completed this. So there are some generalization we want to make. So you look here, sin 0 is equal to 0 and sin 90 is equal to 1. So if you take any angle between 0 and 90, if you take any angle between 0 and 90, its sine value will be between 0 and 1. Okay, so when the angle increases from 0 to 90, the sine value of that angle will also increase from 0 to 1. Okay, so sine 45 we know 1 by root 2. Sine 30 we know sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So those all are in between 0 and 1. So sine 0 is 0, sine 90 is equal to 1. Similarly, cos 0 is equal to 1 and it is decreasing. And when angle will become 90, that will become 0. So I'll show a table here, not this one. Okay, here you can see the values of sine angle. Just look at the sine values of angle. Sine 0 degree angle is 0 itself. And sine 1 is 0.0175. Okay, we took some approximate value only in this table. Okay, then it is gradually increasing and finally when it become 30 degree, it become 0.5. When angle become 30 degrees, sine value become 1 by 2, that is 0.5, and again increasing. When finally when it becomes 90 degree, it will become 1. Okay. Next one, cos value for 0 degree, the cos value is 1. It is decreasing. Cos value is decreasing when angle increase. Okay, so look here, finally when cos 90 comes, we have 0 value. Cos 90 is 0. Okay. What about the tan value? Tan 0 is also 0 and its value is increasing. When the angle become 45, it will become 1. Okay, then it is again increasing. Tan 46 is 1 point something and tan 70 is 2.7475 and tan and 89 is 57 point something. Okay, and tan 90 is not defined. And 90 is not defined. So you can have some generalization from this table how the values goes. Okay.